This one seems pretty easy. Sometimes there's screws here. I think this laptop just doesn't have any screws, so it should just pop out. These will snap off. Sometimes you want to be careful when you snap these off because it is plastic, so the plastic can break. So you want to be easy when you're snapping it off. And all these snap just like all the way around the screen. And sometimes you might have to come from the bottom and snap it from here as well. I use a flathead, small one. Here, I use a bigger one. Pause it. Alright, so this will pop out. Same thing with the other side. Pops out. And then from there it should slide out. I think I got everything popped out. So that's the faceplate. And then from there it's normally just a few screws. Got 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually, yeah, that should be it.
And again, this is the Dell Inspiron 15 with the screen replacement for 3215.
That comes right off. Now, normally, it's a wire, and it's just like a little connection piece that connects it. And normally it's a piece of tape that it's taped to. So you just want to peel that piece of tape up. Don't get rid of it because you got to tape it back to the new screen. And this slides out. And you get your new screen.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And again, this little connector piece.
LaptopScreens.com.
Slides in. Should slide in. You want to make sure that's in there, because if it's crooked, you'll put it back together and get no display. That sucks. Now we just place it back in its original position. That's good. Get your screws back in. I don't have a magnet on my screw. And you always want to make sure you take the protector screen or the protector off before you put the bracket back on. And this will just snap right back into place. All the way around. You want to make sure that you go back to the back again and snap it back, because that's still loose. Snap that in. And I'm going to just test it before I put my hinges back on. Ah, voila.
Voila.
Good to go. That's how you do it.
Outstanding.
Is it?
Put them back in.
I'm only doing this for him because he's my man.
Courtesy of a Geek Squad trained technician.
It ain't saying nothing special.
And that's it. Courtesy of LaptopScreen.com. And they got it to me quick. We're supposed to be here tomorrow. It got here today. It's already fixed. Woohoo! Good luck with yours. And the picture is perfect. Those are the matriarchs of my family. Blah, blah, blah. I'll see you later.